Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, my name is Odds, and we are going to be doing a 2022 holiday gift guide video. So I have a lot of things saved. We're going to go Ulta, Sephora, Target, Amazon. Those are my main places that I've been looking for gifts, that I've gotten most of my gifts from. I am about 75%, 80, maybe 80% done with my holiday shopping already. I know it's very early, but there's a lot of great deals that have been happening, so we're going to talk about those. Target's doing early Black Friday. Most places are doing early Black Friday, so we're going to go ahead and talk about some of the best gift options. So I'm going to start with Target. I'm going to go in my list of favorites. There's a lot of holiday items I wanted. So let's talk about some stuff that, some of the stuff is on sale, some of the stuff is not on sale. So I hope the person who I got this for is not watching this video, but a couple days ago, the SodaStream Terra, which is the new version of the SodaStream, was on sale. It was a bundle, so it retails for $119.99, went on sale for $71.99. So I purchased it then. It comes in two colors, comes in black and teal. I have not used a SodaStream, but I think this is a very interesting gift. I mean, if you feel like a lot of people are into sparkling water or soda and they can make it themselves, it's really interesting. Sparkling water, soda is really expensive. Like, I don't buy soda very often, but I bought a 12-pack of Coke and it was like $6.99. It's quite expensive. So this you can make your own and make it useful. Another thing I have saved is, this I used to actually have, is the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 watt BL610. I don't know if I had this model of the Ninja blender, but it's a really good blender. It's on sale. Regularly retails at $99.99. It is on sale for $79.99. Like I said, Target's doing a bunch of deals, so keep an eye out like every day for like flash sales that they're having, because some of these items might be on sale. I also have, it's an online only exclusive. It's called The Rock by Starfrit 3.2 quart electric fondue set. So it comes with all of the stuff that you need to make fondue, as well as the fondue forks, the pot, the electric, it has like a hot plate, so kind of like the hot plate that you deal with instead of like plugging it in. Or instead of like the pot itself heating up. So yeah, that's one thing that if I didn't have an idea for somebody, I would get them that. I'm not personally going to purchase this. Another one of these items is the Cuisinart Automatic Frozen Yogurt and Ice Cream and Sorbet Maker. This one is in white. It's $69.99. I'm surprised this one hasn't gone on sale yet. But these were like the craze. They're last year or this summer, they were pretty big this summer, so definitely looked at that. I got a couple of books. Target's a really good place to get books because, like, example, I'm looking at a book I'm not going to mention because it's a gift for somebody, but it retails for $30, but Target has it on their site for $15. A book that's supposed to be $27, they have for $12.07. They have cookbooks. Cookbooks are a very good gift to get. I've gotten somebody cookbooks, and I asked for a cookbook for Christmas, so just lots of stuff. Target has very good like bags as well. I think like maybe if somebody likes to travel, the Made by Design suitcases are made really well, so I'd say maybe do that. Also have considered getting somebody a base, not on Target, but it's a suitcase brand. Very expensive, but very, very good quality. So I have a couple bags on there. Little appliances like food processors, because they're pretty cheap. if you need like a cheap gift to get somebody. Cake stand, good gift. Always a good gift is a digital photo frame. There's one from Polaroid for $55. I'm surprised this hasn't gone on sale either. There's usually a version of this that's on sale. Something I am getting somebody else because I love I think the best thing to get somebody if they like to do stuff in the kitchen is like a small appliance they might not have. So this is a great time for like coffee grinders, frothers, different coffee machines. There's very good deals on Keurigs right now, so if you know somebody who would need a Keurig, go to Target because they have lots of options. There's also a Mr. Coffee Frappe machine, which I debated getting for my little brother, but I ended up going with some other stuff for him. But the thing I want to talk about that I am getting somebody else, so again, I hope they're not watching this, is a Dutch oven. So there is a Lodge brand Dutch oven. Lodge is a pretty big brand in terms of enamel and cast iron cookware. I love my Dutch oven. I use it all the time. If you don't know, it's like basically a pot that's made of ceramic or cast iron that you could literally cook on it on the stove, or what I use it for is I usually cook in the oven with it. So it has a lid. It cooks everything perfectly. I don't get how it does it. Sure there's some I know there's scientific reason as to why it's so good, but I love my Dutch oven. So I'm getting that for somebody. I'm getting a nicer one than the one that I have. I have one from Bed Bath & Beyond. That's also a place to check because they have 20% coupons on all the time. So, and their brand, their like main brand, Bee and Willow, and then like, it's not Room Essentials because that's Target's brand, but something like that is very good as well. So I'd recommend that. So that's it for Target. Let me go to Amazon, and then I'm going to do the makeup stuff at the end. It's probably going to be one of the biggest chunks. I actually don't have that many things on Amazon. I have another Lodge Dutch oven on here. Some NHL pet jerseys, ugly sweater sort of stuff, some Christmas Village things. Let's talk about some books. I'm going to talk about some stuff that I want. That's on my holiday gift guide. So I have, Lord of the Rings is becoming more and more popular again because of the show on Amazon. So there's a couple of Tolkien things that I like that I requested. I read The Hobbit, I read the Lord of the Rings series. There is a Tolkien Fantasy Tales box set that comes with the Silmarillion, the Unfinished Tales, and Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. There's also a beautiful new edition of the Silmarillion that is illustrated. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and I would honestly love that. Couple of furniture items on here. Not a lot on Amazon. There's deals on a lot of electronics, so I would definitely recommend that. Like, this is going to be very kitchen heavy, and then we're going to get into makeup. So I bought a lot of things at Ulta this year, so most of my gifts are from Ulta. Surprise! Lots of good palettes this year. So there's lots of really good gift sets out. I talked about in my video I did yesterday that is already up, that went up on Monday, is a Buxom set, a lip set. It was $25. It's really good. We got a Peach and Lily set, was really good. Or I haven't tried that yet, but there's a couple Buxom sets. Okay, here it is. It's called Dolly on Stage Plumping Lip Set. I'm wearing it now. It's very comfortable. It is a plumping lip set. It feels really tingly on your lips, so I think it's really good. I bought Another thing from that video is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals palette. This is really unique. It has beautiful shimmers. It's typical Anastasia formula, so it's pretty powdery, just as an FYI. So just keep an eye out for that. One thing I did not buy, because I didn't see it in store, was the KVD Beauty Moon Surge 3-piece vegan eye set. That comes with one of the Dazzle sticks. I've not tried the Dazzle sticks, but I thought it looked, everyone I've seen it on it's looked really, really good. Another palette I'm interested in is the Naked and Robin Eisenberg eyeshadow palette. I think this is a really pretty palette. A couple of kits from ColourPop, only 10 bucks, so I would see, you know, those are pretty good. There's a Drunk Elephant kit, the Daydream kit. It's only 26 bucks. It comes with the C Firma Day Serum, the C Firma Liquid Serum Base, and now it's not loading, and the Be Hydrate Intensive Hydrating Serum. So that comes with some serums. The Peach and Lily set that I got was called it's the Glass Skin Discovery set. So this is $39. It comes with Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, Wild Dew Treatment Essence, Glass Skin Refining Serum, and Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. So excited to try that. I haven't tried that yet. There's a couple of mask sets here. KVD has another really pretty palette out, actually. It's called the Moon Garden Vegan Eyeshadow Palette. It's just, the packaging is beautiful. I think the colors are really vibrant and beautiful, so that's really cool too. Yeah, that's what I want to shout out from Ulta. I did get a couple of other things. I mean, a lot of other things from Ulta. There's a lot of good sets from Sephora. There's some Charlotte Tilbury sets. I don't know why nothing's loaded. Here we go. There we go. I'm going to get a lot of Rare Beauty stuff because I'm doing a full face of Rare Beauty, so I'm going to get a lot of that stuff. A lot of stuff at Sephora did sell out, so let's talk gifts. Let's see what I would recommend in the gift section of this video. There's a Kaja set. It comes with one of those little stamps, a lip gloss, and a bento box eyeshadow set. This one's all shimmer. I would 1000% recommend this. I love the bento box eyeshadows. I got a set last year from Kaja, and I really like the eyeshadow. I don't know if I necessarily love everything else in it. Laneige has a couple sets. I would recommend that. I love the Laneige lip sleeping balms. I don't love the options we have from Fenty and Too Faced this year. There is a couple of sets from Fenty, including a lip gloss trio that comes with a regular gloss bomb, a cream gloss bomb, and a gloss bomb heat. I don't love that. Glow Recipe has a little kit for $20. Hey, you're doing great hydration kit. I think that is a pretty good deal. There's a Milk makeup set that has 4 products and is $22, so I would recommend that. I'm kind of interested in the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. It is $67. More expensive than Natasha Denona. So yeah, it's beautiful, but I could not spend $70 on an eyeshadow palette. Tower 28 has a gloss duo for $22, I think is really good. Not interested in Hourglass for their $85 palettes. Again, Too Faced has like their usual Christmas sets, which I don't think are very good. There's a Say Mini Glowy Super Gel Highlighter set. I think people really like that as like a dewy primer. I like any of these little perfume samplers too. There's lots of really good fragrance, so that's like a personal, whatever your personal preference is. So the Laneige set that I got last year is the Midnight Minis Lip Sleeping Mask set. It is $19. I got the bigger set this year, the one that comes with a full size and 2 smaller ones. I would recommend, I don't have this shade, but I think it's a special shade. Rare Beauty by, why am I reading that? Mini Kind Words Matte Lip Duo. Oh, it's in Humble. It's a nice, like, beautiful, like, pinky shade. It's a lot of cute lip sets. I mean, Lawless has a mini Winter Beach lip plumper set that I think is cute. Pat McGrath has a new eyeshadow palette that I think is beautiful. But again, I'm not gonna spend $82 on a palette. Like, Too Faced usually does a Melted Matte liquid lip set, and I get people aren't really into liquid lipsticks right now, but I look forward to that set every year, and they didn't do it. They did a lip injection set, which apparently their lip injection is like so intense that it's too much. I did mine this, and it's a gift for 3 people because I split it. It's the LYS Deluxe Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush Trio. I bought that. I think it's going to be really good. GXVE, Gwen Stefani's brand, has a lip set out, so that's exciting. I mean, everybody has a set, at least. It looks like Winter Beach is a Lawless collection, so there's some cute stuff in there. There's a palette as well. There's lots of stuff available. So it's kind of like all what you know what you want to get from people. So like I'm getting a lot of books for people, a lot of stuff from Ulta because they had a lot of great stuff. I just went in and kind of went wild and started just buying stuff, and then I like to break up gift sets and give it to other people, do stuff with stocking stuffers, you know, stuff like that. So I'm really excited for the holiday season. This wasn't even really a gift guide. This is more like me just talking about gifts. I guess it's a gift guide, but you know, we're talking about the ideas that we, you know, as things run through our head. Yeah, I mean, no matter your budget, I think there's something really out there for anybody, and you can even make stuff. Like, I am also getting bought a set of cards, and I'm going to put photographs in for people, so it doesn't have to be that much. I mean, as long as it's from the heart, that's what matters. I'm just lucky this year that I get to have a little bit bigger of a Christmas budget, so, but I know that's not the case for everyone, so yeah, that is going to be it. This is a very randomized video, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you on Monday with a new video. Bye!